In today's video, I will be showing how to administer this powdered vaccine for your pet. This is the Gumboro vaccine 50 dose. So that is the vaccine. This one is powdered. So first, you keep your empty bucket. Since it is 50 dose, I'll be using one full drinker of water. So it is equal to 50 dose of this vaccine. Yeah, that is the vaccine there. So let me pour the vaccine first. Or if I like, I will have to pour the water. Okay, I want to pour the water first before I put the vaccine. So now let me open the vaccine. That is me opening the vaccine. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, that is the vaccine. That vaccine is powdered though. The advantage is that even there is no light, you can preserve that vaccine just in a cold, dry place. No need of fridge. So that's why I loved using that vaccine. So let me rinse it. I want to rinse it. I don't want anything to remain. Things hard well. I don't want to waste anything. Let me pour it. Bam. I've poured it. So after that, I have to stir it so that it will go round. After stirring it, I will transfer it to those drinkers. So I want to give it to my 50 birds. Last week I vaccinated my birds, Lasota vaccine. So this week I'm vaccinating them for Gumboro. So it is important to vaccinate your bird. It helps to prevent the outbreak of this viral disease. Because when this disease strikes your farm, it doesn't have cure. So as they said, prevention is better than cure. So you have to prevent it before it attacks your bird. This vaccine helps to give your bird strong immune system to fight against those infections caused by virus, bacteria, or fungi. So that is me turning it. Yeah. So I've already served it to the birds. Those are my broilers birds. They are 2 weeks now. The next is my Brahma birds. Wow. That's my Brahma birds. Those my birds have hairs on their leg. So I'm vaccinating the birds too. Let me check one madam inside. It's not there. The birds are playing. So that is it. That's just a simple way of vaccinating your bird. Here are my broilers birds. Wow, amazing. So that is it.